Something else left for us to try in this laboratory exercise 6. We can experiment with more kinds of object models in our little object library. So I've included a list of different models, and we can try perhaps one of them. So this one is a desk lamp. We can try this one. So we really need to uncomment this definition and just comment out for now definition that points to the car object. I'll also disable this extra color effect that we tried and just keep it simple like this. Alright, I'm going to rebuild and try running this. So it appears that the object is just too big right now to be visible in its entirety, and you can see that we can only see parts of it. So we just need to reduce the scaling factor to make it fit on our screen. The scaling amount is set in the main function right at the bottom of this file. So you can try something like just to bring it to a smaller size, 0.1. Okay, I'm just going to try this again. Press Ctrl F5 to run it. And this is our desk lamp. It rotates, but now a little disappointment that it's being modeled as if it lays on its side. So let's put it upright. We need to add another rotation, and I'm guessing it should be around the x-axis. So how about 90 degrees around the x-axis? So we're going to update our transformations, and this time we just need another rotation. So currently we rotate around the y-axis, and we can observe that rotation going in circles. We change the scale amount. We also push the object back 50 units behind the screen. So now we just need to add another rotation. So remember, we discussed that the direction of these transformations when we program them is this way. So this is happening first, this is happening next, and this is happening last. And if we need to add this, we can of course add anywhere in the middle, but it seems like with this desk lamp all I need is just another rotation, which I'd like to do first. Just put it upright. Okay. Alright, so I'll try to copy and paste this rotation matrix creation. And so this one is called rotate Y, right? And we rotate Y, use this rotate Y in our final assignment to the model matrix. This time we need to do first rotation around X, and so I'm going to use this rotation X right here, but this rotation Y is going to be the combination with all other transformations already happening up here. Okay, so this should be named rotation X, and we need to change the axis. This is going to be, we're going to use rotation around x-axis. So I'm going to say this will be x-axis 1, 0, 0. That's the vector that's pointing in the direction of x-axis. And we need to specify 90 degrees. So instead of that, this is going to be 90 degrees. And I suppose this also needs to be a floating point parameter, and also we need to convert 90 degrees to radians. So basically the function that needs to be invoked here to do the conversion is to convert to radians. Okay, so let's try this. So we build the program, press Ctrl F5 to run it, and okay, we've got our rotation, but clearly it was put down instead of upright relative to its original modeling position. So apparently the angle needs to be minus 90 degrees. Okay, let's try this. So change this rotation angle to minus 90 degrees relative to its original position. Build again. and run. And so here we go. So this is now in upright position, and this is our desk lamp. Okay, so I guess we're done with this project.